Hey everybody, this is Big Ray 20. Got the SPL Labs wireless bass meter, the 3rd edition in the kick. Going to be testing this amplifier to see how it does on my system. So what you're going to see here, the power and the dB level it took me to get to this power. Got two Autotech Engineering Big Ray 20, the custom Big Ray 20 alternators with 4 runs of 2-watt welding cable. Testing this Taramps MD 12,000.1. This is the 0.5 ohm version. I have it wired to 0.47. I have the clamp meter to the SPL Labs on the positive leads, and then the terminals here on the positive and negative to the unit itself. I have the 6 custom Soundstream XXX 15s with the Pierce Audio product soft parts. They're dual 1.4 ohm, 4-inch voice coils. They're 8 layers. Custom carbon fiber dust caps, and a enclosure I built myself with 3 10-inch ports from Big Ass Ports, tuned to 35 hertz currently, and the 2 Autotech Engineering 370 amp alternators is charging up a bank of Honda Insight cells. This is 135 amp hours of lithium. Got the 2 runs of power and 2 runs of ground from the front to the back here. Custom Rick and Morty bus bars I picked up from Coventry Industries. Shout outs to them. So let's go ahead and see what this Taramps MD 12,000.1 does on my system. I tested my Soundstream XXX 15,000D at the same ohm load to my subs, and I got a 158.7 dB in the kick, and you can see that in the previous video. And everything right here, now the settings on this is tuned a little different from the 15K. And I'm going to show you guys. So my 15K, the subwoofer level was at 0. This one's at +5, and then the equalizer is all zeroed out, just the same as the 15K. And the other thing that's same as the 15K is it clips at 48. So it goes to volume 50. Can't really see, it's probably a little blurry, but we're tuned at 48. So I'm going to use the same phone I used in my previous testing, my old LG Stylo 4. We're going to use the simple tone generator. We're going to test 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 hertz to my system. I'm going to show you guys how they move during the different frequencies, and right now resting at 15.8 volts. Let's see what happens. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you like videos like this, I'm going to be doing more of different amplifiers pretty soon. This is just all testing purposes, just having a little fun with my system. So first we're going to try 30 hertz. Alright, so at 30 hertz, did 5,837.7 watts clamp.
Get out, big bro. What's them 15?
Yeah, I got 6 15s.
Ooh, that hoe hit.
Yeah, appreciate it. Alright, you guys, sorry about that. Somebody just asked me no question. So next I'm gonna do 35 hertz. We're gonna see what 35 hertz does. Alright, setting off alarms back here. But at 35 hertz, did a 154.1 dB in the kick with 8,202 watts clamped out of the Taramps MD 12,000.1. It's a 0.5 ohm version, wired to 0.47. So with Rise, it's no telling how much power I'm really getting out of it. So next we're going to try 40 hertz. I'm going to go ahead and reset the meter here. 40 hertz.
Yeah, we put my mixtape in there.
So at 40 hertz, did a 153.6 dBs in the kick with 4,869.1 watt clamp. Next, we're going to try 45 hertz. So at 45 hertz, you did a 153 dB even in the kick with 6,985 watts clamped. I'm going to reset the meter here. And next we're going to do 50 hertz. So at 50 hertz, did a 153.6 dB in the kick with 6,621.6 watts clamped. It's not as nearly as much power as my 15K did, but it's doing decent power. I'm not sure what my rise is, but this is what it's showing that this amplifier is doing. Taramps MD 12,000.1, 0.5 ohm. It does 12,000 watts at 0.5, but right now we're wired to 0.47. Not sure what the rise is with these frequencies, but this is the power that you see, what I'm seeing. So at 55 hertz. So 55 hertz, that's pretty wild. Got 11,797.1 watt with a 153.9 dB in the kit. So far that's the most I've been seeing out of this amplifier. Almost rated power out of this 12,000 at 55 hertz. I'm gonna reset the meter now, and we're gonna try 60 hertz, and we're gonna end it there. I hope you guys like this video, and sorry for my background. I filtered my door speakers at 100 hertz, but for whatever reason, it's still detecting the bass. So I'm gonna check on that at a later date, but we're gonna end this at 60 hertz. So at 60 hertz, did a 153.6 dB with 7,032.9 watts clamped. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like what you've seen. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to be testing the other amplifiers, such as this Soundstream amp right here. You got a Soundstream TXP 18,000D. I'm gonna try to see if how it holds up. I'm gonna try it on a dangerous ohm load. It's 1 ohm stable. I'm gonna have it, since the Soundstream XXX 15,000D handled a 0.47 ohm load for these burps. I'm gonna try this the same way. I got this in a trade, so if it blows, I'm gonna lose, but not as much as it would have been if I bought this brand new. So hope you guys like what you're seeing. Hope you like these videos. Like I said, it's a learning experience for me, and I hope it is the same for you. Hope we can just grow together and enjoy these kind of things together. As always, peace and love. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.